Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a low fade plus a beard trim on my client. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to wet all his hair, because it's a lot easier to part the hair when it's wet and just section it. So we're going to get it all wet, grab our hair clip, we're going to grab our comb, and we're going to divide right at that corner of that hairline and then just clip it up. Same thing on the other side. And then we're going to grab our number 2 guard and make our first guideline. And just take it about 2 inches above his ear and slightly drop it towards the back, because this is going to be a low drop fade. And then now we're going to make our guideline. So with 0, we're going to curve it a little bit right at that ear line, take it around, and then curve it downward towards the back of his head. And then with the balders, we're just gonna shave the bottoms out right there while flicking it out. Now we're gonna grab our clippers with 0 lever open. We're gonna make our first guideline going up about ½ an inch, and just take it all around his head. Now we're going to grab our number 1 guard, and we're going to make another guideline. If you are a beginner at cutting hair, try to always flick out when you're creating guidelines. It just makes it easier to fade out after. Now we're going to brush out all the hair, and now with the 0, we're going to flick out and we're going to blend out that original line that we made with the 0. Now we're going to open the lever up a little bit more, and then we're going to fade out the second line over there. Now with clipper over comb, we're just going to blend the rest towards the top, towards this part line over there. Now with the thinning shears, we're just going to blend out the rest of the bulk up there. That way it just evenly gets blended all the way to the top. Now we're going to line it up. Now I'm going to unclip his hair and just pull it all back. We're going to cut the top now, so now that the sides are all cleaned up, and my client here, he only wants about ½ an inch off, so we're just gonna take a little bit off. And if you guys don't know how to cut the top, I did make a video on this previously on my channel. I'm gonna put it up on this. You can see it on the top there, and you can click it if you need help with that. Now we're just going to blow dry the hair. Now for the beard trim, he does want to take it down to a number 2, so we're just going to take it all down to 1 even length. And with the beard, you want to go in all different directions, you know, against the grain, with the grain, because you want to get it all even. And then for the mustache, we're going to go with the 1.5. and just go straight up with it. And now we're going to blend out the sideburns using that same number 1, and then with the 0.5, and then with the 0 until it's fully blended out. And now we're going to line up the mustache. And the bottom of the neck here. So for the neckline, corner of the jawline to right above the Adam's apple, that's the usual guideline I go by. And with the beard, I also try to keep it, you know, pretty high up. Like, I want to keep it pretty natural looking. I'm going to brush off that excess hair, and now with the warm towel I'm going to prep it for about 3 minutes, and that's going to soften up the skin and the hair on it, so that way it's ready for the blade. We're going to put some shaving gel on, and now with the blade we're going to go with the grain going upward. Be careful going against the grain. A lot of people, they end up getting cut doing this, so just try to move with the grain of the hair. That's probably the best way, I would say. And once you're done with that, just rub off any of that excess shaving gel and just put on some aftershave lotion. And for his hair, we're going to style it using Hans de Foucault sponge wax. This is one of my favorite products. It's a organic brand. It's a vegan brand from California. So I really like their product. It's medium hold, medium shine, and just look how nice it makes his hair look. And there you go. That's the finished product right there. The low skin fade with a beard trim. I am going to be posting more haircut videos again and more art videos. Let me know in the comments what else you guys want me to make, and I'll see you guys next time.